everyone, welcome to our presentation. I am Katarina Ayu and my student number is 1907-10086 and I am here with Christian Fieri. His student number is 1707-09131. Celia Friendly Kristiani, her student number is 1907-10131, and Ina Desira Sukma, her student number is 1907-10310. In this video, we're going to talk about a game design that we made to solve the problem in industry, innovation, and infrastructure sector. Our talk will be divided into 3 parts. First, I will start from the background why we choose this topic. Then my friends will talk about the second part, explain about the game itself. And at the last part, we will give some conclusion to wrap this talk. This video will take around 12 minutes, so please stick with us. I think everybody knew that Indonesia is the world's 4th most populous country with more than 270 million people. According to what Indonesian Ministry of Industry, Mr. Agus Gumiwang Kartasasmita said, as a country that's still developed, we are lacking in the industrial area. And to solve it, we need to build more of them. But even now, with that lacking, we already have an environmental problem like pollution and waste. What will happen if we build more of it? We know that industrial needs could destroy the environment. If we want to build more of them, we need to make it proper. And proper means that it's safe to population and our environment. We want this country to be bigger with developing the industrial sector. But of course, we want it to come together with the safety for our people and environment. We made the design of this game because we want people to understand how to build a proper industrial area. We want everybody that in the future will contribute to making industrial area realize that thing, that industry come for the good of the population and environment. So the industry is the one who need to adjust themselves in this big population and environment, not the other way around. That's all I have to say about the background of this topic. Now let's move on to the explanation of the game, and for that part, I will pass you over to my group mate.
Hello, my name is Christian Fieri. After my friend tell you about background why our group create this game, now I will tell you first about the target market that we try to reach with our game, and next about who is character in this game, and the last about how to play this game. Okay, so first is a target market. We made this game for people that have an interest or work in the infrastructure area, like a construction worker or student that learn about architecture in college. We want that people to have an idea about how they can make a proper industrial area, how to balancing industrial needs and population needs. Okay, so about the character. NPC or non-playable character in this game. This NPC acts local resident who live around industrial area. Only character that acts as local resident and no other character. Okay, so how to play this game? This game is a simulation game. This game can be played on mobile phone platform such as Android and iOS, and you can be downloaded on the Play Store and App Store. This game is played by one player. Player will be given one city where player will build several industry and around the layout of building in the city, so that they have low pollution and have a lot of money in accordance with the mission that will be given. At the start of the game, player will be given several factory buildings for free. The factory has the function of generating money from the city. The factory that is built will produce a product, and the product will be sold to make money. In the game, there are a pollution parameter from the city. If the pollution parameter continues to increase, this means that the city built has poor air, water, and soil quality. For the reason, player must adjust the infrastructure and layout of every building in the city to avoid pollution. In addition, player can also plant a lot of trees or plants in the city to avoid pollution. Okay, so the mission in the game consists of several levels from level 1 to level 5. At the initial level or level 1, the player has a mission to build a city that has 25% pollution and has a city income is 1 million. And level 2, build a city that has 20% pollution and has a city income is 3 million. And level 3, pollution in the city is 15% and the income is 5 million. Level 4, pollution in the city is 8% and the city income is 8 million. And the last, level 5, pollution in the city is 3% and the city income is 12 million. Okay, I think that's all from me about the target market that we try to reach with our game, and about we as character in this game, and about how to play this game. And next, about the strategy from playing this game will be explained by my friend Feli.
Hello, my name is Velia Friendly Christiani, and next I will explain the strategies. The game that we have developed has several strategies that can allow players to achieve victory, or in other words, tips on how to play to win. This game has pollution parameter that can be used to measure how high or low the pollution produced by the production factories in this game. So that players can win this game, the players must keep the level of pollution parameters low. To keep the pollution parameters low, the player can plant trees or plants in large quantities. Besides that, the player can clean up the garbage around the factory or arrange for the production waste produced by the factory to be disposed of in the right factory waste disposal site. In addition to keeping the pollution parameters low, the player can also change or arrange the layout of the building or factory strategically and as best as possible in order to achieve victory. For example, by bringing product factory closer to each other, because by bringing one factory closer to another factory, it will increase the city income. In addition, to achieve victory, the players must be able to make these production factories produce products according to the desired target and achieve the goal set in this game, namely building an industrial city while maintaining the ecosystem. And next, how our target market will react to our game will be explained by my friends Ina.
Hello, I am Ina Desira Sukma, and next I will explain about how your target market will react to your game. Should you include any precaution? Normally people can accept the games we make because first, the background, second, how to play, and third, the strategy are quite clear. We provide tips and good ideas in the games to start building industry with already good criteria. Therefore, the public will be interested and will play the games that we will make. Game application developer expect the public to be able safely and comfortably. Should we include any precaution? The answer is yes. The precaution we will take is to provide an opportunity for the community to provide feedback. If it is felt that the community has a complaint, can be submitted through the input that has been given. With this feedback, game application developer can improve it better. The conclusion of our presentation is that we want to create this game by focusing our target in the industry and infrastructure area. We hope that the constructor, architecture, and student can understand about how to building strategy and have a good layout. So this is the end of our presentation about the games that we will make. Hopefully it can be useful for the community, especially in industry and infrastructure area. I represent the group, would like to apologize if there was a mistake, and thank you.